My dad used to call me Bandarella instead of Cinderella. Now, Bandar in Hindi means monkey. And he used to say, you're a Bandarella. And I used to get really offended. I was like, why would you call me a Bandarella? I'm Cinderella. I could be pretty. I could wear a gown. I could be Cinderella. He was like, no, you drop shit around all the time. You know, somebody always has to be walking behind you so you don't break. You're a Bandarella. So one day I got really offended and we had this conversation. He said, whatever you are and whatever you might want to be, that is the best version of you. So you drop stuff around or you are clumsy and you're a klutz, but it's you. And that's what makes you special. Why would you ever want to fit into some glass slipper? Just because he said you don't want to fit into a glass slipper that someone has made for you, that you to fit into. You break the glass.
When my shoulders are open, my chest is out.
Right.
That mic not withstanding, I'm open.
Right.
And even though the camera's here, I want to face you.
Right. So we're engaging.
We are engaging and the conversation is happening irrespective. Whenever we talk to people, if we address them without looking at them, I personally feel it is one of the greatest disrespect to somebody.
Oh.
Pani Lana, very disrespectful. Even if they are behind you, you always try to make an eye contact to talk to people.
Every night I have a certain ritual and that was taught to me in one of the meditation practices that I did. कि हर रात जब आप सोने को जाते हो तो एक बार अपने आप को पूछ लो कि रात को मैं अगर मर गई तो will I be satisfied या मैंने कुछ छोड़ा है. So I asked myself this, so if I die tonight, am I going to be happy? Yeah man. और मैंने क्या ऐसा उखाड़ लिया इस दिन में कि यार मैंने आज 1 करोड़ रुपए कमाया? बिल्कुल नहीं. मेरे को आज कोई अवार्ड मिल गया? बिल्कुल नहीं. आज मैं किसी के काम आई क्या? When I entered a room, did I leave that room feeling better than before I came in? That is success. Did somebody else smile because of me? That is success. Did I leave the world feeling happier, more hopeful, sitting in faith? That is success. तो अगर आपको पता नहीं है ना कि मैं क्या करूं सक्सेस होने के लिए, बस किसी के काम आ जाओ यार. Start dressing like a woman. Start talking like a woman. Spend more time in nature. Spend more time with animals. Spend more time with other women. Find one feminine who is already healed and watch her. Stay around her. Observe her. Let a woman heal you and show you what you can become. When you have healed, you're going to become so enigmatic, so powerful, that a good man will not be able to resist you. It'll happen when it'll. Don't go chasing. A woman does not chase. She attracts. I just wish men knew how much we are waiting for them to be at their best. Because when a man is at his best, a woman can be at her best. That way, we're dependent on them. And when we are our best self, we can be our best to you.
When I was growing up, because I was the only child, it was expected कि मुझे खाना बनाना सीखना चाहिए. It was expected that I should know how to run a house. And अभी मुझे नहीं पता क्यों, but मैं बचपन से I was like मैं खाना नहीं बनाऊँ. क्योंकि I've seen my mom spend her morning to night in a kitchen, and I just don't think that's fair. Why should she be in a kitchen the whole day? तो वो मेरे mind पे छप गया. तो मैंने कहा मैं खाना बनाना सीखूंगी ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने सीख लिया तो ये तो मुझे किचन में ही बैठा देंगे कि बेटा ये बना दे, बेटा ये बना दे, बेटा ये बना दे. And okay, out of love, बेटा will make for everybody, but that doesn't mean she has to do that every single day. It should be her choice. मैं आपको एक और इंसिडेंट बताती हूँ जो मेरे लिए, अब I don't know why my mind is other and why I was like this, but I was. तो मैंने खाना बनाना नहीं सीखा और आज तक नहीं आता है मुझे पूरा खाना बनाना. बट हाँ, कोविड में जब हेल्प नहीं थी तो सारा खाना मैंने.
Once I've realized that the biggest hater that I had was me. I didn't like the way I looked. I didn't like my forehead. I didn't like my teeth. I didn't like the way I smiled. I felt I was too skinny. I did not like my skin color. Like, it was just yada yada. It's so many. But you just live once. I do not understand why do we go so hard on ourselves. One of the things that has made life easier for me is not taking things seriously. You can come and tell me whatever the fuck you want and I will not give a damn, because at the end of the day, this is my life. I've built it. I've worked so hard to be at a place where I don't have to worry about who's thinking what, and I'm not gonna let you take that away from me.
तुम्हें जो पहनना है वो पहनो, बस स्कर्ट थोड़ी लंबी और नेकलाइन थोड़ी ऊपर कर लो. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना, पर तुम इन सबकी बातों को अपना सच मत समझ लेना.